Hello, my beautiful people. Yes, I just want to show you how I make this beautiful chin chin. In a bowl, I have some flour. I will add salt and I will also add baking powder. That's the baking powder you have to add. You have to combine all your dry ingredients together. There I have Zimt. You can also put nutmeg, depending on you, some sugar, depending on your quantity of sugar that you want, and you mix it very well. Make sure you mix the dry ingredients very well. Then I'm going to add again a little bit of sugar because I do not like too much sugar, but if you like, you can add as much as you want. I will add some butter. That's a room temperature butter. In this case, I'll be using my hands because it's better to use your hands to mix it together. After mixing, I will add 1 egg. That's the egg. You add your egg and also add your milk as well and mix all together. Then you add water, and adding the water, you have to add your water gradually until you get the consistency you want. At this point of time, you mix it very well until it does not stick any longer into your hands or on the bowl. Now you can let it rest for about 30 minutes and cut it into pieces, cubes form, depending on the sizes you like.